Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing lemonade, green guava lemonade, that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This refreshing and delicious agua fresca green guava lemonade, these are our ingredients: a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, lemons, green guava, water, and ice. It's everything we need to refresh ourselves with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. I want to start first by making my simple syrup, and I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. I'm going to take it to the stove. I'm going to cook it for a couple minutes until the sugar has dissolved completely. When this is done, I'm going to turn off the stove. I'm going to let it cool down to come to room temperature. While it's coming to room temperature, I'm going to continue with my organic lemons. Look at these. These are from my garden, from my lemon tree, and of course with this little gadget I'm getting all the juice out of the lemons, and I do not leave anything behind. Look at this. And now I'm just gonna put it aside. I am going to continue with my green guavas. I want to show you the part that I'm going to remove, and I am going to rinse them really good through running water. This part is very important. Always rinse your fruit before you make your lemonades. It really doesn't take too long, but this is the most important part. And now I am ready to slice them open, remove the seeds from the center, but we are going to use the pulp from the seeds. So I'm going to reserve them, and I'll show you this technique. The pulp that is in between the seeds, there is the most flavor of the guava. So don't throw it away. I am going to continue getting all the seeds out of every single one. And then I am going to show you how I'm going to blend it and obtain all those amazing flavors from the guava. And now, look at this. Now I am ready to start blending away. I'm using only the skins and the guava with the skin. I'm going to add some water, and I am going to blend for a couple minutes until it's well blended. This green guava lemonade comes out delicious and refreshing. I am sure you're going to love it. When this is done, let me show you the texture. The texture of the mixture. It's nice and thick and smooth. The aroma of the guava has invaded my kitchen. In the same blender, I'm going to add all the seeds. This is a great tip. You want to obtain all those amazing flavors from the guava, but yet you don't want the seeds in your lemonade. So let me show you. I am going to add them to my blender, add some water, and then I'm gonna blend in very low speed so that I could really remove all the pulp from the seeds. You don't want to blend the seed. You only want to obtain the pulp that are in between the seeds. So be careful. Blend it in very low blend. And then I'm going to show you all the seeds at the end, so that you see that there is no pulp in between the seeds and the seeds are still whole. You see? Now I am ready to just add the rest of the ingredients. Remember, don't forget to add the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to bring up those amazing flavors of the guava, and it's going to stabilize the lemon juice. And now I am ready to show you from close up how this looks. The aroma of the guava is so intense, so amazing, that I'm sure that once you make this delicious green guava lemonade, you are going to continue enjoying it at home. When you make a lemonade at home, you have control of how much sugar you add to your lemonades. I have my pitcher ready. I'm adding a lot of ice. That's the way I love to enjoy my lemonades. And now I am ready to pour this delicious lemonade. If you liked and loved this video, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I can't wait to enjoy this amazing and delicious green guava lemonade. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. I am ready for the presentation and ready to enjoy this amazing lemonade. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing agua fresca green guava lemonade that I know you guys are really going to love. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Amazing. When you make this lemonade at home with lots of love, it comes out perfect. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing green guava lemonade at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing agua fresca green guava lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.